Welcome to today's book reading tutorial by Booklove channel. Today we shall learn more about Kuchipudi, a world-famous classical dance form from India. Kuchipudi. One of the 8 classical dance forms of India is Kuchipudi. The well-known theatrical art Kuchipudi Yakshagana, from which the dance style originated. It is named after the Andhra Pradesh hamlet of Kuchipudi, where it first appeared. It is performed as a dance drama. Both solo and group activities involve it. The Andhra village of Kusselavapuri or Kuchelapuram, where it was initially performed by a troupe of actors known as the Kusselavas who travelled from village to village, is whence Kuchipudi gets its name. In the 17th century, Siddhendra Yogi formalized and organized the practice. He also wrote a number of additional plays, including Kuchelapuram. After stories from the Bhagavata Purana took center stage, the recitals acquired the name Bhagavad Halas. The dancing genre gained prominence with the support of the kings of Vijayanagar and Golconda. Features of Kuchipudi. It calls for difficult foot movements and is frequently performed by a group. The vast majority of Kuchipudi recitals are secular in nature yet are based on Bhagavata Purana legends. The most common rasa are Shringar rasa. A short dance and song piece called a daru, which is choreographed especially for each character's reveal, is used to introduce each main character to the audience. The dance contains nrita, nritya, and natya, the 3 components of classical dance. Although it is comparable to Bharatanatyam, it has several unique differences. The nrita portion, or salakath, or padakshara, is where the body moves. The nritya portion of Kavatvams involves a lot of acrobatics. You could even carry it out as a nrita, pure dance. The Kuchipudi dancing style represents the earthy parts of the human body. The dancer may also assume the position of a singer in a Kuchipudi recital. It became a dance drama performance as a result. Both lasya and tandava elements are important in Kuchipudi dancing. Sharp, vigorous gestures that attempt to capture the spirit of the underlying bhava set apart the tandava aspect. The lasya components are depicted by soft, flowing movements that seem to blend into one another in a pretty blur without sharp edges. A Kuchipudi presentation is frequently accompanied by Carnatic music, with the violin and mridangam serving as the primary instruments. The performance is in Telugu. Usually, Tarngam is used to end a Kuchipudi recital. With this song, passages from Narayana Tirtha's Krishna Leela are performed. The dancer in this often stands on a brass plate while locking their feet in the Shakatavadanam Payada position and moves the plate rhythmically and deftly. The mridangam, cymbals, veena, flute, and tambura are the common musical instruments used in Kuchipudi. Numerous regional banas, styles, of Kuchipudi have emerged as a result of the guru's originality and ingenuity, teachers. This openness and flexibility have a long history in Indian dance, and they may be found in the early Kuchipudi Margi and Desi styles described in Jayasenapti's treatise Nrita Ratnavali. A Sutradhara or Natuvanar, who serves as the show's conductor, is a member of the Kuchipudi ensemble. He utters the musical phrases and creates a rhythmic beat with cymbals. The conductor, another vocalist, or occasionally the actor-dancer will sing the story or spiritual message. Booklove recommends the following books. Kuchipudi, Dances of India, Raja and Radha Reddy. Kuchipudi, Indian Classical Dance Art by Sunil Kothari and Avinash Pusricha. Kuchipudi Art and Satyabhama by M. Usha Gayatri. Kuchipudi Gurus, Performers, and Performance Traditions by M. Nugbhashna Sarma. Please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye and happy reading.